The three stages of the buyer's journey. Every business owner must understand. Have you ever felt frustrated because people check out your website, scroll through your social media, or even ask questions about your service, but then disappear without buying? You're not alone. The problem isn't always your product. Most of the time, it's because you don't understand where that person is in their buyer's journey. And if you don't meet them at the right stage, you lose them. So, what exactly is the buyer's journey? Think of it like this. It's the path your customer takes before they buy anything from you. It's made up of three simple stages. Awareness. This is when they realize they have a problem. Consideration. This is when they explore different solutions. Decision. This is when they're ready to choose who to buy from. Your job as a business owner is to guide them through these steps with the right kind of content. If your content doesn't handle these stages correctly, then you've lost that client. So let's break it down so you don't lose that next client. But first, it's important to note, this framework was first popularized by HubSpot, one of the leaders in inbound marketing, and it's powerful because it breaks down what can feel like a messy, unpredictable process into three simple stages that every business owner can understand and use. Stage 1, awareness. At this stage, people know something is wrong, but they don't know what the solution looks like yet. Example, imagine Sarah. She's been feeling exhausted, her clothes feel tighter, and she thinks, I really need to get healthy. But notice, she's not searching hire a personal trainer yet. Instead, she's Googling things like, why am I so tired all the time? Easy ways to lose weight at home. Here's where most businesses go wrong. They immediately start pitching their product, but Sarah isn't ready to buy. If you start shouting, join my gym today, she'll tune out. How to fix this? At the awareness stage, your content should educate and inspire. Examples, blog posts, 5 ways to boost your energy naturally. Social videos, beginner's guide to exercising at home. Infographics, why most people feel tired and what to do about it. At this stage, you're not selling, you're building trust. But here's the problem. Once Sarah knows what her problem is, she faces an even bigger challenge. Which solution should she choose? And that takes us to stage 2. Stage 2, consideration. Now Sarah understands her problem. She knows she needs to eat better and exercise, but now she's overwhelmed with choices. Example, she's comparing things like gym versus home workouts, yoga versus weightlifting, personal trainer versus fitness apps. This is the information overload stage. If you don't show up with clarity, she'll get stuck, or worse, she'll go to a competitor who explains it better. How to fix this? At the consideration stage, your content should guide and position you as the expert. Examples, comparison guides, personal trainer versus gym membership, which is right for you. Webinars or explainer videos, how to build a workout routine that actually sticks. Case studies, how our clients lost 20 pounds without starving themselves. Now Sarah starts thinking, maybe this business actually understands what I need. But even when Sarah decides which path is right, one huge question remains. Can she really trust you with her money? That's where stage 3 comes in, decision. Now Sarah is ready to take action, but she's hesitating. Example, she's thinking, what if I pay and don't see results? What if there's a better option out there? What if I fail like last time? This is the stage where most customers back out at the last second. Even though they're ready, doubt kills the deal. How to fix this? Your content at this stage should remove fear and build confidence. Examples, post testimonials from real clients, offer free trials or demos, provide money-back guarantees. Create simple pricing pages that remove confusion. By showing proof and reducing risk, you push Sarah over the finish line. Final takeaway. So here's the big takeaway. If you want to convert more visitors into paying clients, you can't just create random content. You need to match your content to the exact stage of the buyer's journey. In awareness, you educate. In consideration, you guide. And in decision, you reassure. That's how you stop losing people halfway through and start building real trust that leads to sales. And if you've been struggling to figure out how to do this in your own business, that's exactly what I help business owners with. Crafting content strategies that turn visitors into clients. Question for you. Out of these 3 stages, awareness, consideration, and decision, Which one do you feel you've been neglecting the most in your online content?